Alright YouTube, we're in my other little hobby section of my house in the garage outside. So I like to blow glass, or not really blowing, just kind of making pendants. So I make little hearts like that. And I also make a few pendants. So I still do sell them every once in a while, but I kind of stopped. But I used to sell them to all the servers at work, $5 a piece, you know, that was my little side hustle. Used to make his and hers kind of type pendants, trying to get better at it, making hearts and stuff like that, you know. It's just a learning process. I need to go take a class in New Orleans. They got a class down there on Magazine Street, I believe. But yeah, just some little fun I like to do. Alright, we got the toaster oven, y'all. We got these wheels. We're gonna put them in. We got it at 300 degrees. We're gonna put them in there for about 20 minutes. And we're gonna come back and check it out, guys. Alright, y'all, what up, YouTube? We about to pull them out. Timer just went off. Got some tongs, towels. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, folks. They stink. Yeah. All right. Alright, can't get that one side off. I might have to go back with the a razor. But we got that off. Let's try the other ones, folks. Alright, y'all, mission completed. If you have an extra toaster oven, hey, give that a try. Now I'm about to buy me some tires, some rubbers, and some foams. I was able to keep 2 of the foams, it looks like. I'll show y'all in a second, see if they're worth saving. Let me know down in the comments if they're not. But man, I just spent probably about $120 the other day just on tires. You know, I had to get some sledge tires. I think that was $60 a pair, and then I had to get some XRT tires. I think that was another like $70 a pair. So have a few of them laying around, and we tried the toaster oven. We baked them for 300 degrees for 25 minutes. Make sure you have 2 hot towels or 2 towels, and clean them up. I went back. I still got to clean them up a little bit more. And we get a little X-Acto knife or something and see if I can get the rest of that off. But I'm not really too worried about it. But yeah, I think they came out pretty good, guys. All right, let's go Amazon shopping, baby. All right, guys, is this worth saving or throw it away? Let me know in the comments, please. It looks like it's pretty strong still. I mean, I'm giving a little tug, it's not breaking. And this is for my sledge. I think it looks good. But, you know, we'll see. Just let me know if I should throw them away or reuse them. I think they're still good. I'm letting them dry out a little bit. All right, y'all. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, y'all just let me know where y'all getting y'all's tires and foams down in the comments. Let me y'all know if there's a good place to go get some good, you know, quality, not to break the pocket type, you know, but let me know. Yeah, right here, we're just gonna pull out the max, do a little bit of bashing, nothing too hardcore. Happy Friday the 13th. Hope y'all having fun. Thanks for all the likes and subscribes, baby. Let's keep doing this.